In this world today where we are living, some folks say the worst of us they can. But when we are dead and in our casket, they always slip some lilies in our hand. Won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. It's in this world is where we need our flowers, a kind word to help us get along. If you can give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them when I'm gone. Now won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. Yeah, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. No, don't you try and slip some lilies in my hand. I let it ring, Carmen.
Yeah, let that chord at the end ring unless you hear like it's out of tune, then just cut it off. You know, that's up to you. Jimmy Powers. We have Jimmy Powers in the house tonight, and Jimmy, I love you. You know that.
Right back at you.
Hey, he's got his own mic. I was going to tell you could turn up a little bit if you want to in that last song. I know you're playing it kind of safe, and that's cool, you know. But Jimmy Powers, I met you at the Crest with Steve Hunter. Steve was a great drummer, good friend of ours, good singer, and he brought us together many years ago. That had to be what, 30, 35? Yeah. Maybe more. Maybe, I don't know. It's way back. And Steve has since passed away about, what, 5 years ago or something like that? I don't know. Anyway, we all knew Steve Hunter. He was a good cat. And Bob Gothard showed up. You know, the door's always open for Bob and Cody and those kind of guys. Man, are we happy to see you. You haven't been around in a few weeks.
I know, I've been busy doing stuff.
I hope you're working, making money, and doing your business. Well, good. That's a good thing.
I just got back from work. I was up in Santa Cruz last night.
Really?
We just drove in.
So you see the kind of friends I have? He's up in Santa Cruz, drives all the way down after working a gig
Just
last
passing
night.
through.
Comes in here and sets his guitar up. Now that's, I don't know, that's
Did
pretty
you
good.
leave last night or did you leave this morning?
We left this morning about 10:30.
Wow.
Huh? Yeah, I got invited. Lee Harper called me and said, you want to come up and play? I got Skip Edwards and who's the guitar? Rusty on guitar, right?
You know, I don't know that gentleman.
He's a good guy. He's a good player, too. He gets around. Yeah, I like him.
For a minute, but I didn't get his name.
Well, we got up there and played, and it was a lot of fun. And I jammed. Actually, I went out to a nightclub and jammed, which I haven't done in a while. But it was great. It was a lot of fun. I'll get to you in a minute. Gary Swan, you're looking well.
Thank you very much, sir.
Do you have a good week?
Yeah, I was at the Hollywood Bowl, then I was at the Greek, and then I was over at Jim's Deli.
Good for you.
Yes, I had to buy tickets to all of them, even the deli.
Hey, anyway, so I got a little thing I heard I thought was kind of funny. Now, we're not up here to be comedians, right, Paul? When, you know,
I'm no comedian at all.
not at all. But we try to add a little humor to the show, you know, a little slant, you know. So this guy says, you know, my wife's really, really mad at me. And the other guy said, why? He said, well, he said, I fired the pool boy. And the guy said, why? He says, well, it wasn't because you was 6 feet tall with a honking head of hair and muscles like and tan skin and 22 years old. That wasn't the reason I fired him. He said, well, why did you fire him? He said, well, because we don't have a pool. So something funny was going on there, I think. Anyway, that's the joke of the week. Paul, how's the family?
Family's good.
Now that you just had a birthday.
I did.
About 3 days ago, I think.
Yeah, Friday.
Okay.
Friday
well,
the 13th, my lucky day.
Well, it is your lucky day, so that's good. I was supposed to call you and completely forgot. But Paul Marshall's birthday, how about give him a hand? And
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I'm not going to ask you to tell everybody how old you are, but I think I've known you for most of your years that you've been on Earth.
Yeah.
I think.
You've known me for a good 50 of
A
them,
good
I would say.
So,
Yeah.
Anyway, happy birthday.
Thank
we love
you.
you. Okay, next song. Gary, you want to do one? Hey, we got Roy's in the house, Frog as you call him. I got Tom Wilson going to get up. So we're going to try to cram all this in an hour. And if we don't, we'll go over.
Yeah, you know what? I'd like to mention that.
Go ahead.
Mr. Powers on this harmonica is a better player than the average bear.
I know that.
But I don't know if the audience knows it because he's fresh to the Carmine's Country Corner pace.
Well, he does a
don't-
lot of good blues things, and he's worked with some pretty good people in the past. And but mostly we're friends. We're good friends. I love Jimmy, and we've been laughing at each other for 30, 40 years now.
But he can play, and
He
everybody
can,
from
he
the
can
corner
play.
can play.
Absolutely.
All right, here's a tune that I don't know who the hell the guy is, and don't really care, but it's a great song.
Oh, and we're here at Bob Smith Toyota. Forgot to mention that.
Okay, I will.
What key we in?
Just call me
Talk to,
What key?
it's a D, right?
I don't know.
Don't know.
Yeah. The only one that walked by the music school.
Probably in D.
Starts in A. 1, a 2, a 1. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken and some. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I got a new name. Don't need my old one, call me lonesome from now on. I see you with him, I fall apart again, remembering when I was the only one you needed. You were my angel until some stranger came along and he broke your heart, he broke mine.
a couple of road bumps on the start of that thing, but we figured it out. I thought he said the key of D, so that whole thing was kind of my fault. Because I kicked it off in D, and I was pretty strong about it, and it was actually in the key of A. Right? So that was my fault.
I'm not talking to the band for the rest of the
Hey,
show.
don't worry about a thing. It's all good from here, believe me.
The pool boy's fired. Pass it on.
Okay. Hey, Bob, you want to do something?
Yes, I would.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do a Little Sister. It's for like kind of bluesy.
Do it.
Okay, so we're gonna start. It's gonna be 5.
Get
sharp
that
5,
harmonica going, boy.
5, a couple times in the key of E.
We're in the key of E.
Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I dated your big sister. I took her to the show. I went up for some candy, and along came Jim Dandy, and they stuck right out the door. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice and say it's very nice, and then you're wrong. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? Every time I see your sister, she's with somebody new. Well, she's mean and she's evil, like a little low, but we will guess I'll try my love with you. A little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice and say it's very nice, and then you're wrong. Yeah. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? I used to pull down on your pigtails and pinch your turned up nose. But lately you've been growing, baby, it's been showing from your head down to your toes. Little sister, don't you? Sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice and say it's very nice, and then you're wrong. Oh, little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done?
That song needs a harmonica, no doubt.
does. Sounding good, boys. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. It's another Carmine's Country Corner show featuring Bob Gother and, of course, Paul Marshall on bass, Palmer on drums, John Palmer, Gary Swan on piano, and my very good friend, first time doing the show. You'll be back. You'll come back up and have some fun with us, Jimmy. Jimmy Powers. So, do you want to do anything? What do you want to do? Do something. Give him a nice long solo on every song. I want him to play solos on every song with the harmonica.
Well, it's a 1 for the money, 2 for the show. Need to get ready now, look at those, don't you? Favor my blues with you. You can do anything, they offer my blues with you. You can knock me down, spit in my face, and my name all over the place. Do anything you wanna do. Honey, lay off it in you, don't you? Step on my blues with you. You can do anything, lay over my blues with you. Come Get a drummer song. Rock that bass. my name all over the place. Doing the thing that you wanna do. Honey, lay over there, you don't you step on my blues with you. You can do anything. Get up with them shoes. Oh, help me sing it, boys. Blue, blue, blue suede shoes. 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 I got to hear the bass. I got to hear a bass solo. Paul Marshall played 3 more notes than I wanted.
He played perfect.
I'll give him back. If you,
Okay.
If you don't want.
Next solo.
Lloyd, come on up. Do a song with us. Hup. Thank you, Dan. Coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. And here we are with Jimmy Powers, my buddy. Sounded good, man. You know, I just got back from Spa with 450 harmonica players. I told the folks that last week when I was here. And boy, that's a lot of harmonicas. Yes. All right, Roy, what do we got, my friend?
Little Merle Haggard song called I Got a Yearnin'.
You got a what?
He's got a yearning. I don't know. I don't think I know it, but if it's Merle, we know it.
I think it's a Bond or a 407K.
I've got a yearning to hold you tight, a burning desire I live with day and night. Everything I want to do keeps on hanging on. This feeling isn't leaving, and by now it should be gone. I keep on thinking those thoughts that keep making me want you all the time. I should be trying to find me a way I can drive you from my mind. I know that you wanted to give, and I know that you gave all you could. Wish I could accept what is over and done with for good. But I've got a yearning to hold you tight, a burning desire I live with day and night. Everything I want to lose keeps on hanging on. This feeling isn't leaving, and by now it should be gone. day and night. Everything I want to lose keeps on hanging on. This feeling isn't leaving, and by now it should be gone. This feeling isn't leaving, and by now it should be gone. Well, that turned into a disaster.
Boy, we'll get you up a little later. I got to get Tom up here in a minute. Let him do one too.
Yeah,
Well, it was close, and next time it's going to be better, and it was just fine.
yeah, next time I'll hold on to my guitar.
Well, that's okay. You know, when the strap gets turned, it happens to all of us.
Yeah, you can
The strap gets turned around backwards, you don't know it, and then the guitar, you lose it. So,
Well, I was just trying to catch up with me because I'm a little fat.
oh, you're fine. Stick around. Maybe we'll get you up a little later, see how it goes.
Yeah, let's get Tom.
No. Sit down, Tom. Relax. God damn it, it's my show. No. I got enough problems up here right now. First of all, I got a harmonica player in the band now. You know, whoever thought that would happen? But I love Jimmy so much, it doesn't matter what he plays. He's always welcome. And you play that thing so well anyway. We love having you. Bobby, you want to do another one real quick?
Yeah.
What do you got?
I suggested we do Bad Moon Rising. That'll be a good one for the harmonica.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
They're all good.
Hey, just like I promised. Here we go. 1, 2.
I see a bad moon rising. I see trouble on the way. I see earthquakes and lightning. I see bad times today. Oh, don't go around tonight, 'cause it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. I hear hurricanes are blowing. I know the end is coming soon. I fear rivers overflowing. I fear the boys are rage and ruin. So don't go around tonight, 'cause it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Play, Gary. Here comes Gary Swan on the keyboard. Hope you have got your things together. Hope you are quite prepared to die. Looks like we're in for foggy weather. One eye is taken for an eye. Oh, don't go around tonight, 'cause it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Play it one time, Carl. Hope you have got your things together. Hope you are quite prepared to die. Looks like we're in for nasty weather. One eye is taken for an eye. So That's it. Right on.
I would have been a crash cymbal, but I don't have one.
I didn't know it was going to do that. Just stop like that.
It just ends.
But it's over.
Yep.
I could have gone.
Absolutely.
That would
But
have made more sense.
that,
That's
well,
what I usually do, but I was thinking like that record or something.
Yeah.
well, you know,
It's cool.
it was perfect.
All right, thank you.
Anyway, good job, good song.
you. Good
Nice
song,
playing there, Jimmy.
Yeah, Jimmy.
Paul,
Yes, sir.
hit us, and then we'll get Tom up.
Key of G. Gosh golly.
Let's do it.
Whiskey bent, hellbound. Two. One, two. I got a good woman at home who swears I can do no wrong. But sometimes, Lord, she just ain't always around. Don't you know that's when I fall? I can't help myself at all. I get whiskey bent and hellbound. Play me a song about gambling man. Put a cold one in my hand. 'Cause you know I love to get high and hear the harmonica sound. Don't you play your cheating heart, that would tear me all apart. I get whiskey bent and hellbound. Sure enough, around closing time, I'm stoned right out of my mind, and I end up with some honky-tonk special I found. Just as sure as the morning sun comes, I'm thinking about my sweet baby at home. Then I need to get whiskey bent and hellbound. Play me a song about gambling man. Put old Jim Beam in my hand. 'Cause you know I love to get drunk and hear the guitar sound. Don't you play I'm so lonesome I could cry. I get all balled up inside, and I get whiskey bent and hellbound. song about rambling man. Put a cold one in my hand, 'cause you know I love to get high and hear the piano sound. Don't you play your cheating heart, that would tear me all apart. I get whiskey bent and hell bound. You know Hank songs always make me feel low down.
Come on up, Tom.
Yeah, he comes.
There he comes. Want to use this one?
Boy, give him a ride. He wants to drive.
You give him. I got a load of this one for you. Best way to do this.
Where's your guitar? That's your guitar?
It's lucky it's
I want to do things.
All right, we'll do it this way. Here you go, Tom. See if that's good enough for you. Hope that works.
I see Jimmy's not used to working around people that don't talk about keys.
Key of G.
We don't talk about keys around here.
It's the key of G.
How about titles?
Entitlement.
Knocking on heaven's door.
Oh, good.
Canuck,
Yeah.
Canuck, Canuck.
And you know what? There's a bunch of microphones there,
know that.
there, and there.
Well, I'll be singing.
When I get to the chorus, I sure wouldn't mind. Just, I don't care if it's any good. Just belt it
I
out.
can't help but sing on that part.
All right.
Kelvin, the guy who plays drums on it? Yeah. On the Bob Dylan, they were watching the movie when they
Oh, here we go.
because it's for Billy the Kid. Started crying. It's emotional drum practice.
Yeah. Oh, well, I don't like no crybaby drummers.
They seem to hang on.
Couldn't find any good drummers.
Ooh. Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark for me to see. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Take me to heaven, harp. Come on, Gary. Okay, Bobby, take a round. Mama, take this gun and put it in the ground. I can't shoot it anymore. That long dark cloud is coming down. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. One more time with the harp, and you go. Carmine Sardo. All right, one last chorus, everybody now. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. 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 Is that heaven? Oh, is this heaven? It's gotta be.
Nice song. Good.
Thank you, fellas.
I love it. God, is it already? Oh, it's. Did I say 7 or this is 1? They put my mic back where it was.
Take this bitch.
Well, I better do one. Just for the fun of it. I'll do this up a little for you, kind of in a shuffle feel. And just blow on it. It's easy. You'll follow it. You'll hear it.
What's it called?
Shuffle, hard shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and blue and broken hearted me, holding to a memory. We're in the key of D. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. Blow it, Jimmy. explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. But since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken heartedly. Gotham! Never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted. So down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, broken hearted. Thank you guys. Got a little loud, but we had fun. Well, we got about 2-3 minutes. Paul, you want to take us home? Jimmy, thank you so much for coming up. And you'll come back soon. It'll be fun. We love you. Gary, good job. Thanks. Palmer? Bob, thank you for coming up. We missed you the past month or so. You haven't been here, and I'm glad you're here. You know what we're going to do? We're going to have you as a guest artist again, and And you'll do most of it. We'll do that soon. I'll call you.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll book you. We'll come
I'll
up
gather
and
some ideas up for you.
yeah, put a little 5, 6 songs together and do what you want. Absolutely.
All right, yeah.
All right, Paul. Take us home, folks. We'll see you next week. Tom, thanks. Great job. Roy, thank you for getting up. Dan Hugot, thanks for all the background support you give us with the lighting and everything. Oh, Paul. Dan, bring that cake up real quick. Walk it up here. I know. Well, then come, do what you can. Bring the wrapper up. Hey, let's all sing happy birthday to Paul.
Hey,
We don't have any
To
to
me,
Happy birthday.
to me.
Happy
My gosh.
birthday, dear Paul. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you. Carmine.
We couldn't find any candles. Go ahead.
Thank you, Carmen.
Carmine Wooden Spring.
Look at that. Happy birthday to me.
well, that's better because he won't spit on the cake blowing him out.
Carmine wouldn't spring for a lighter, so
I got everything but the lighter. We'll light them next week.
Put this on the giant serving table, please, would you?
Well, you don't want to
Okay,
hold
so
him while you're
Paul's going to
saying-
do a quick one. We'll all get to play on it. We're going to go over 5 minutes, big deal. But we love you all. We'll see you next week. Don't be late. Tell a friend. Don't forget to push like and share on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. Push the buttons, and that helps us out. Thank you.
Well, I was born in the Southland. 20 some odd years ago. I ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida, I pick cotton in Alabama, I pick walnuts up in Oregon, I pick guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man, and my home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Come on, Jimmy. I got a gal in Cincinnati, I got a woman in San Antone. I always loved the girl next door, but any place is home. I'm a freeborn man, and my home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of that highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Well, I got this worn out bass guitar I carry in an old tote sack. pawned it about 100 times, but I always get it back. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Well, you may not like my appearance, you may not like my song, you may not like the way I talk, but you'll love the way I'm gone. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Carmen, how about you and Jimmy play a little bit? I said I may not like my appearance, and you may not like my song, and you may not like the way I talk. You'll love the way I'm gone. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Yeah, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track.